in an Airstream, like any trailer, you're going to get dirt. Let's take a look. Charlene's pretty, yeah, there's dirt on the rug. You could just shake it out. You could just damp mop and sweep. But Charlene has another idea. In our Serenity, she had a Dyson vacuum that was installed inside the closet. But let's see, not a lot of room in here to put one. There's some parts. The rest of it's already been installed. Let's take a look around here in just a second and see where it all goes. Okay, let's take a look and see where everything's at. You can see here the installation. So there's your tube sits in there. There's your clips. And where she put the electrical is down here. So let's take a closer look at this. There's her bag that she picked up. Cloth bag, doesn't bounce around, doesn't slide out of there, doesn't come all over the trailer. Carries all the parts for her Dyson. Everything from the crevice tool, so we should, dusting, the large power attachment. But here is where she had the motor head installed. And you can see, let me see if I can get in here a little better. There's the electrical plug that was installed. And it gives us room to plug another item in and run the cord outside. This keeps it charged. Dyson just comes out and keeps it charged. So, anyways, everyone, just wanted to show you that installation. There's the parts and the way it goes up in here again. Let's see if I can get a better angle on this. The way it goes in, slides in, catches. You can see it's powering. All your parts slide right under there. Everything's a nice, neat installation. Don't need to use the top there. You can still get to everything. And of course, there's your, I can do it here. There's your tube. Not a professional video production, but this is how she has decided she is going to keep our trailer clean. And she vacuums every day, takes just a few minutes, and the Dyson lasts and does a great job for us. All right, everyone, time for me to put all this back together and use the vacuum. Take care, and thanks for joining us on our adventure. Have a great day. Bye-bye.